You videotaping?
I am. I like to document the progress. There you go.
I'm known for my gourmet sandwiches.
Okay, so what's in your gourmet lunchbox today?
Organic turkey breast, applewood, with avocado and pepperoncinis with Monterey Jack
Okay.
cheese.
Mustard in that?
I pre-blend my mustard and mayonnaise so I can make sandwiches first thing in the morning. And that's how I save time, because I used to get up early in the morning. I used to have to go to Portland, and I used to make my sandwiches. Yes, you recording that too?
That again, what?
This is my lunch box. This is one of two. I got a bigger one for more days that I eat more.
And what's that number? What's that?
72 was your brass number. When you brass in to go underground, you brass out. So everybody's accounted for.
What did you do underground?
Shoot shotcrete, drill, everything. We
So
did
you
everything.
dug tunnels?
Yes. I'm a miner, retired miner, hard rock miner.
Okay.
No TBM.
All right, let's see what's in this
Okay, here we got some
gourmet
fruit
lunchbox.
here. This is the gourmet sandwich here. You see here?
Yeah.
Down here you have some avocado. You have your Monterey Jack. You have your organic applewood turkey.
Yeah.
And right here you have your pepperoni. On top
right.
you have your romaine lettuce
All right.
on a slightly toasted all wheat bread.
All right, all right.
And then, you want one?
No, thank you. I'll go get something.
And then here you have some delicious apples that's already sliced, dripping in its own lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice so it doesn't brown on you.
Man.
Yeah.
Well, I understand why they used to steal your lunchbox.
Right. And then here you have your golden kiwi.
Wow.
Oh, what is this? What is this? Don't forget your pickle.
Here you go. Here's the door.
Here we have a functioning door with many parts left over. I don't know if that's good or bad, but we did our best.
Yeah, it looks good.
And yeah, we have some nice screen. I don't know how long that's gonna last. But
Well, I hope it'll last.
Christian, Louis Short, his Hispanic brother, he says, "Yeah, brother." He talks with a high-pitched voice. He says, "Yeah, brother," and we go fist bump, and they go boom.